Well, it is an early morning in early October, and that means we're going to do some fall yard work today. I'm going to spread some gypsum. If you don't know what gypsum is, it's calcium sulfate. I got a friend of mine, Sterling, that's coming over here. He's bringing a gravity wagon. He's going to go get it for me today because he's got the time to do it this morning. And in the gravity wagon, we're going to put pelletized gypsum. So there he is now with the wagon. And then you gotta talk to the camera, you gotta say, Sterling's gonna go get the gypsum for us. Right?
Alright.
Right now we gotta try to figure out how to get that gravity wagon on that trailer. Oh boy. Oh, red, white, yellow. That's cool.
Keep it on yellow.
That's awesome. So you'll see the reason why we do that after a bit. Gypsum is a product that we use on heavy clay-based soils, and it really helps improve soil structure, and it's also got sulfur in it, which will make your yard really green. You should probably talk to a lawn care professional or your local agronomist to see if gypsum would be a good fit for your yard. Okay, so Sterling went to go get that gypsum the other day, and he took it back to his house. It's in the wagon on my trailer. So I'm going to take the dump truck over there and get that stuff, and then we're going to try to spread it tonight. My brother and I are going to spread it tonight. Hey, good luck on the mower. Kira's going to get the leaves mulched up and mowed a little bit before we spread, so that everything that we try to spread makes it to the ground rather than laying on top of the leaves. Brother Nate is here, and we're going to use both spreaders. Seems to be pull up the most in here. See if we can switch some. Alright, I think it'll go now. This is the whole reason why we haul the grain wagon on top of my trailer, so that we can fill the spreader carts real easily and not have to bucket it. Right out of the grain wagon into the spreader. Works good.
So I'm set up at like 8.
Close it. Open it. Alright, so it's pretty far open.
I'm gonna struggle with this.
Why? Because it's hitting that?
Well, just
Put your lever on the other side.
put it back on the other, or straight up and down.
Oh, it's running out the bottom. Normally we weigh the fertilizer carts to figure out how much we're each getting. We're just going to wing it today. You're getting a little extra fertilizer. So we're going to spread my yard and then we'll go over and spread his yard. All right, we got our yard all done real quick. It only took 6 spreader loads, but now we're gonna caravan over to my brother's house and try to get his yard spread yet tonight. We're kind of in a big hurry. Let's move the operation over there, so come on. What do you think? I like it. Girls, you ready to head home?
Drop together balloon.
We're all done spreading gypsum at both places, so we're going to have to call that good enough. We had lots of helpers tonight.
I don't want to go.
Huh?
I want to go. I don't want to go because I do not want to drive part of the better.
All right, we'll call that good enough. Thanks for watching. See you later. Take care. So, would gypsum be a good fit for my yard? Yeah, I think that'd be a good fit.